the domain of definition of the function f of x is equal to root over x minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus root over a 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Since we know that the domain of f of x plus or minus g of x is given as a domain of f intersection domain of g. So here in this problem, so let f1 of x is equal to, it is also sum of two functions. f1 of x is equal to, let us consider x minus 2 upon x plus 2, and f2 of x is equal to under root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. And we need to find the domain of these two functions now. So clearly, the first function, so domain of our f1 is, f1 of x is defined, it is defined for x minus 2 by x plus 2 must be greater than or equals to 0. It is defined for x such that x minus 2 by x plus 2 is greater than or equals to 0. So by taking the wavy curve, we can take the 2 points here, minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2, and both are linear factors with the odd powers. So we can start taking the curve from the right side, and it changes from positive to negative and negative to positive. And since we required it's positive, x minus 2 upon x plus 2 is greater than or equals to 0. So the numerator x minus 2 means 2 can be included. So we can take the positive here, minus infinity to minus 2. So minus 2 should not be included. So we will use open brackets, union, and again 2 to infinity, 2 can be included. So we can add closed 2 comma open infinity. And then f2 of x, f2 of x is defined for the second function for x such that 1 minus x upon 1 plus x should be greater than or equals to 0, or this can also be written, x minus 1 upon x plus 1, you are taking minus common, so the inequality will change, less than or equals to 0. Let's take the number line and mark the points. For x minus 1 we'll get plus 1, and for x plus 1 we'll get minus 1. So let us arrange them in order and start taking the curve from the rightmost side. And since the powers of the linear factors are odd powers, we can just consider it changes from positive to negative and negative to positive. Wavy curve method is explained, and in the description box it is given. Please check out that video. Okay. And so now here, since we required less than or equals to 0, in the numerator x minus 1 means x can be taken 1, but in the denominator x plus 1, so minus 1 is excluded. So we can say that x belongs to, so x belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1. So minus 1 is excluded and plus 1 is included. So this is the domain of the second function. So this is the domain of f2 and domain of f1. Now we require the domain of the function, which is intersection of these both. So domain of given function, can be taken as domain of f1 intersection domain of f2. So clearly we can say that, let me mark, so minus infinity, minus 2, say this is minus 1, and here let us consider 1 and 2 and to infinity. And the first one says here minus infinity to minus 2, union 2 to infinity. And the second one, consider here minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1, 1 is included and minus 1 is excluded, and we find that there is no common solution in which, so both are disjoint sets, we can say. So this is domains which are disjoint. Disjoint means intersection is empty, so we can say domain is empty set we can consider, means for no value of x the given function is defined. So both will not satisfy together, so we can go with an option C. Okay, thank you.